Cereal facts. 1. Cereal is one of the most common breakfast meals because it is easy to prepare and has been eaten for over 100 years. In the beginning, breakfast cereal was considered a health food. 2. Cereal is an affordable and pocket-friendly breakfast for daily consumption, and during winter cereal sales will increase. Dry cereal has also been a snack for some people for decades. 3. Cereals contain carbohydrates, vitamins, iron, calcium, and fiber. The fiber in cereals has benefits for improving digestive performance. 4. There are thousands of types of cereal, some of which are oats, muesli, granola, barley, sorghum. Apart from that, there are also several cereals that have limited editions, so they are sought after by collectors. 5. Cereal is not only used for breakfast, but can also be used as a topping on desserts such as ice cream. Cereal itself is one of the foods most consumed on Saturdays. 6. Cornflakes cereal is a commercially successful cereal. Cornflakes were discovered by Will Keith Kellogg and John Harvey Kellogg. Initially, cornflakes were created for use as breakfast to overcome digestive problems. 7. In various cities around the world, there are cafes that specialize in serving dishes using cereals. 8. On the market, there are several cereals aimed at athletes, and there are also several gluten-free cereals which are aimed at people who have restrictions. 9. In marketing cereals, they will always display advertisements that are unique and easy to remember. There will be colorful colors with various unique characters on the cereal boxes with the aim of attracting young consumers. 10. There are several cereals that can change the color of milk, which contain colorful marshmallows so they look visually attractive.